Level 857. Let's use a bomb. Okay, what do we got here? It's kind of an old school level. Some honey, fireworks, pigs, and safes. We've definitely done this before. Alright, flying propeller rockets. Oops. Those pesky propellers, man, they set off everything. You think I know by now. Okay, rocket. Yeah. I can't slide that rocket into the safe. That's unfortunate. Okay, the honey's done. What now? Get that red combo on the fireworks. 17 turns. Okay, clock is ticking. So I'm going to hit one of these fireworks. Which one? I don't think it matters. Okay. Ooh, it kind of stuck. Kind of trapped in here. So when I'm stuck like this, and I can just make basic matches, I like to make matches that go deeper down into the map rather than across. That's just how I do it. Seems to get better results. Oh, we're really stuck here. That's fine. I gotta set off these fireworks. That's the key to even getting started here. Okay, there's one of them. 9 turns, 6 safes, and they're barely hit. I need something to happen here. How about that? That's a start. Guess I'm gonna go with propellers, that's safer. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend some coins on this. This one is stubborn. Alright, time to buy a couple more turns. No problem. I really need this left side to be more active. It's kind of dead. All the weapons are forming on the right. It's tricky to get over there. Four turns. Couple more hits. I'm just gonna set off these rockets and see what else happens, I think. Oh, there's a propeller. I'm gonna need that. Very good. Oh my, I have to buy more turns. No, I got tons of hammers. I could hammer this out right now, actually. Let's just see what this bomb does real quick. Okay. Yeah. I like to use the jester hats too, though, because most of the time they're kind of useless, but once in a while they do something for you. Let's just see what happens there. Useless. Okay. I was hoping it would make a weapon. Alright, one more hammer. Alrighty. That's it. Royal match.